warning for northeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern King County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 5 a.m. At 4:12 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Naperville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Romeoville, Plainfield, Addison, Woodridge, Oswego, Glen Ellen, Hinsdale, Lamont, Burridge, Oak Brook, Westmont, Lisle, Darien, Villa Park, Montgomery, Bentonville, Warrenville, and North Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for near-shore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, near-shore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 6:30 a.m. At 4:34 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located across the Chicago metropolitan area, moving east at 39. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Brenham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, and 59th Street Marina. In northeastern Illinois, central Will County in northeastern Illinois until 17 a.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Joliet, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Romeoville, Calumet City, Woodridge, Chicago Heights, Roseland, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Blue Island, Dalton, and Park Forest. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.